Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Bum, 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 bum. We're all screwed. Staking is they're coming after staking. Like literally. No, I'm just kidding. It's fine. It's fine. Retail customers. So we kind of got a definition. It looks like exchanges, right? So we talked about this yesterday. Coinbase, Brian Armstrong gave us a hint. Hey, there's a rumor SEC is coming after staking. And today we found out about Kraken. SEC is or has fined Kraken. Kraken plan to or has paid the $30 million settlement. So hopefully Kraken continues to operate or changes the way that they operate so they don't have to pay this fine again, or they operate while paying this fine, because I don't know. It all depends on how their business model is. But it's been a quite crazy turn of events today, and definitely the talk of the town right now is not Kraken and the SEC and our boy Gary Gensler. So we'll talk about that. We'll dive deep into this. My crypto pie, William, back at it. Number one, where it happened, Red Sox. You're too busy typing, I hate Gary Gensler. Oh my God. Sup, Gucci boy, nice to see you. So yes, guys, an article came out sometime in this afternoon. Basically, Kraken offers a service for staking, right? And what that is, hey, you want to earn APY for holding your token? We give you 20% return per year on whatever you stake. So they were offering such good returns. And what ends up happening? US regulators, hey, you're operating in the United States, and we want to take some money from that. So they find it. If they want to operate, I'm sure they'll add more regulation. But this is so crazy because literally we were reading CFTC says this is a commodity. And now this guy, Gary Gensler, is going after these exchanges, going, hey, this thing passed the Howey test. Staking passes the Howey test, meaning that people are getting rewarded on the efforts of others. But this is the thing. There is no efforts of others. This does not pass the Howey test. This guy is barking. I feel like someone's got to go back and be like, yo, Gary Gensler, chill out. This is not what we want. This is not, I feel like he knows exactly what he's doing. There's no way any sane professor that has taught blockchain goes after staking like this. There's no money there. You like staking is a reward of a smart contract. You make a smart contract, you give it a pool, and he's trying to I don't know what he's trying to do. We'll see. But this feels very bad, especially for assets on crypto exchanges, which is who's he's going after, because he can't go after DeFi. There's no regulation in DeFi, and it's still a whole nother can of worms. So he's not going after DeFi. He's just going right to crypto exchanges that offer staking as a service and saying, hey, got to pay the fine. Got to pay the fine. So we know Coinbase offers staking. We know crypto.com offers staking, right? And there, guys, the markets are down right now too. Like since this whole hey, so we may dip down below 1 trillion. Bitcoin right at 22K, not too bad, but definitely well below a resistance line. Ethereum 1550, still relatively in that same window that we were in before. And just looks bad overall, but we'll see what the weeks bring. But definitely, if you were trading weekly, yesterday would have been a great day to get out and buy the dip back in now, unless you think it's going to go down even more. No one knows. Dogecoin 8 cents. I got to go check out my boy Hex, see how that's doing. Gala, are we back at top 100 yet? Gala, nope. Ethereum POW, wait, $3.68. It's coming back. It's coming back. Teddy, it's coming back. All right, so yeah, basically, Coinbase was right. Brian Armstrong knew this was going to happen, guys. And that's the crazy part. His insider told him, he's like, rumor has it. Bro, the person that leaked that to Brian, he 100% knew. Bitcoin drops below 22,000 as Kraken agreement to close crypto staking operations spooks investors. See? This is literally what's happened. As soon as this news came out, it's like, boom, staking's not allowed. Staking's a big part of what happens in crypto. This is actually long term. The US thinks it's great. We're regulating staking, where we're making money on it, but all the US is gonna do is have these staking companies go to different countries, go offshores, just like what Brian is saying. This is what he's warning. He's like, what the heck is the US smoking if not their own supply? It's not good. It's not good. It's a short-term reward for a long-term negativity. Like the short-term 30 million he's getting now is going to cause Kraken to move their entire business model outside of the United States, and crypto is not going to be a thing in the United States, and that's exactly what Gary Gensler potentially wants for everybody. But unfortunately, that's not going to happen. There is the crypto armies. The amount of adoption we have in crypto is far too strong to just let this guy and the SEC just throw random regulations at things that didn't really need regulation. I don't think staking was the area that he should be focusing on. I don't think he even should be focusing on cryptos as a whole. I think let the CFTC take care of it and let this guy, CTFC, whatever it is, let them take care of it and have this guy sit out and actually go look at real securities to get some money back. But I feel like he's just barking up the wrong tree, and someone just needs to do more. But it's definitely a hit to crypto. Remember, we were reading that staking is made $42 billion was staked last quarter, and of 42 billion, 3 billion was rewarded. So somehow they're trying to regulate all this. Makes no sense. Makes literally zero sense. But this is why the markets are down. You may have woken up and be like, what happened? Most 7 days have the 7-day gains have dissolved. Yep, it's done. I think Ancar is one of the only positive coins. Oh, is it? We got to go check out crypto bubbles. Let me crypto RPL. What the heck is RPL? Rank 78. I'm gonna go check that out. Hex 20%, 4 cents. We were doing so good this morning too. It's just like boom, news comes out and staking's not allowed. Gary Gensler's coming after staking. It's so unfortunate, guys. Like, what are you guys doing? Are you staking still? Are you getting your tokens off exchanges in case exchanges go under? Because Kraken, only 30 million, you think, but they bring down the Warhammer and that's it. Kraken don't have 30 million to cough up. Now they got to sell all their assets. We got another FTX situation. Nah, I'm just kidding. Don't go crazy on me now. So yeah. All right, let's see. Bitcoin. Wait, no. TradingView products. It's not looking so hot at all. Oh my god. Hopefully people buy the dip. Buy the dip, Teddy. Are you buying the dip? I'm buying the dip. Are you buying the dip? I love steak. You love steak. That's the wrong kind of steak, William. You're thinking the wrong steak, William. Oh man, William over here. All right, so here we are, and this is why I'm not. I yeah, it's. I have to be so careful, you know. Um, News comes out, boom, we drop, and this is a pretty significant drop. As quickly as we rose, is almost as quickly as we fall. Right. This may be just like a shake off candle, and we may dip more as more news comes out from the SEC and Gary Gensler saying, "Hey, we're going after more exchanges, you know, crypto.com. There's a lot more. There are a lot of exchanges offer staking to retail customers, but the thing is, Kraken is one of the few that does it as staking as a service, meaning, hey, give us your tokens and we'll do the staking for you. And offer 20% APY plus, right? Like those are the types of things. So Binance maybe, but Binance US, I don't know. They'd have to go after Binance parent company potentially, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see what they end up doing. So yeah, it did dip. We have a small green candle here, but the main thing is, guys, and someone else pointed this out. I was looking at the golden cross on the day candle. If you actually go to the week candle and look at what's happening on the week candle, we're actually coming to a death cross situation, meaning the MA 200 is moving above the MA 50. And this net never usually happens. This is like a once in a blue moon type deal, right? So people are really watching um this indicator, especially when it comes to EMAs, moving averages, 50 and 200, to see what happens. And you know, I'm quite intrigued to see where this is gonna go. But this is the first time we're in like a death cross, golden cross situation. I stake my SHIB on Bitmart for 20% APR for every 3 days. I like stake too. Yeah, guys, I mean, be careful if these guys come after Bitmart and they're like, hey, 100 million fun. You guys offering staking to retail customers. We deserve some money from that. That's it, you know? I just be careful. You never know. You never know what's gonna happen. All right, so that was that. Let me go look at ETH. And so this was ETH. And this is why I'm fairly in the same window I had charted before. It didn't truly oh wait, wrong. One day. Even in the day, it's the same thing. It didn't really dip down, so I consider this sideways action. I'm not worried. I'm not like, hey, I got to dump everything to get a better thing. I'm at the point of if it dips, DCA. If it comes into some of these other levels, I'm gonna DCA. But these are some good day candles of constant up, you know, and this is one bad news. So this is what we're gonna look for in the coming days. Is this going to be a steeple down or are we going to skyrocket back up? And really, you know, which indicator is going to be end up being right? Are we in that golden cross that this for the next 3 days goes crazy? Sometimes you get negative information, negative news that impacts price a lot, such as, you know, what happened with the staking. So this is definitely something I continue to watch just to make sure there's no issues. The other fun one is Crow. Basically, if you had gotten in December, you're good. Uh, Gotten before January 15th, you're good. But yeah, any profits you made, you're now back to zero. And it may be another stepping stone, right? As we go up. And when we came down, that's really what it ended up being. So watching this as well. Watching this as well. So if we bounce, it's only consolidation. Yeah. Yeah, that's literally what's happening. If you truly look at what's happening with Bitcoin and say you're not a Bitcoin maxi, oh Daddy, I don't use Bitcoin, I'll use Ethereum. We're literally consolidating. It ain't even this negative news at this threshold 1546, guys. This is things I charted months ago. I'm not coming in and making all new levels for you guys. You guys watch my show. The goons know how Teddy interacts with these charts. This is straight consolidation. There is nothing that scares me in this aspect. What would scare me is if we had this, right? Where we had great ups and then just constant lows, just lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And we're talking for a period between March to June. Look how quickly we drop. That is something that we don't see here. What we see here is healthy consolidation. It's straight. And some people are going to be conservative, and some people are, going to be more stringent on how they see the indicator. But when I'm literally reading the chart, looking and anticipating market sentiment, I'm not getting the idea of like, hey, this is it. It's all gonna um shit the bed, if you will. I don't think that's what we're looking at. I'm hoping there is no more bottom lower than 1000, what is it, 72, which is what I charted. So if I personally do not believe the way that people are currently trading Ethereum, and Ethereum has been for the past month, that they're going to let this drop below 1,000. And if they do, I'll be eating crow, eating my own words. But personally, the way the market is and the way that we've seen Ethereum and Bitcoin trade in the past, I feel like these are mental levels that these crypto whales have, or even exchanges, right? Exchanges are also people just like us buying and selling, guys. And that's what we're seeing. This is straight consolidation in my eyes. I'm not too worried. I'm feeling very happy about what's happening with the market. So you need healthy consolidation. You can't have green days. You can't be green forever, but you can slowly climb up, which is the healthiness that people like to see. So at some point, uh, there's got to be a return, and we're slowly seeing that. Over time, you do see a healthy stepping stone as it climbs back up. So I'm not worried. Remember back in 2018, similar levels, and look what happened then, right? One all the way to 4,000. Bitcoin, same exact thing. So we'll see. And this is one thing with Bitcoin. I understand my levels here aren't charted as well, but when I see the strong green candle, like we did on January 20th, followed by, after some time, a candle that comes down, it's not a full sell. So it's actually caught some support between the gray area, which is great because now we're establishing a new level of support potentially. And we'll look at it in the future if we ever decide to rechart these levels, which I will rechart when the time comes and I feel appropriate. Right now, I think my levels are pretty good. They've been consistent. It may not be spot on, but it's enough that it gives me that general idea, which is what I look for, right? Teddy, make staking great again. This is the thing. We can't make staking great in the United States. We have to go and offer staking in a different way so that the United States government isn't going to reprimand you for offering staking. This is something that, as you can tell, even the goons like to stake. But hopefully we use this as a positive, and Gary Gensler stops smoking whatever he is, and understands. By the way, talking about smoking, guys, 12 of you in here, make sure you're smoking that like button. There better be 12 good smokes there. If you're not, tap the viewer on the left. Tell him, hey, buddy, Teddy needs to smoke. You got to smoke the like button. After you're done smoking, pass it to the viewer on the right. Then you're going to realize you've just had 2 smokes. So make sure you pass it to someone that hadn't. All right. Man, this is literally all like for the last hour. It's literally clinging on to 21.85, and I think there's enough support here that it is actually going to drive back up. I'm feeling pretty bullish about current market sentiment. I think this is a healthy floor at where we are. Smoke that like button. Did Ripple lose SEC lawsuit? I did not hear anything about Ripple. I'll check for you, sir. Sir. No, I mean, if they lost, it barely affected the chart. 38. So we got in. So we're down $8 right now on Ripple. So sad. Uh, we'll see. Let me see here. XRP, SEC news. SEC will make a major announcement today. Ripple settlement. No. They were just guessing what the thing was, and what it ended up being was staking. Right? It wasn't. It wasn't about the XRP situation. It was about staking and them going after Kraken. So whole different can of worms there. And just we'll see what happens. Lawyer disclosed SEC all-out war plan against crypto. Wait, what the heck is this? CoinGape. XRP lawyer discloses USSC all-out war plan against crypto. John Deaton, ADA founder supporting SEC ban on crypto staking. Charles Hoskinson called Ethereum staking problematic. ADA founder stated that temporarily giving up assets in order to get returns looks like regulated products. Yeah, I mean, that's what you're doing in staking. You temporarily give up your tokens. However, he brought up non-custodial liquid staking and labeled them as mining pools. Yeah, I've heard of mining pools too. Deaton inquired why the SEC chair didn't make meetings with the U.S. largest crypto exchanges, Coinbase. Why didn't the commission work out with Coinbase, which happens to be a transparent public company? He asserted that the SEC chair is involved in the bigging of legacy players. Oh my God. Are they trying to say that they're going to push ADA on us? This is crazy. What is this? Is this just rumors? We know about rumors. What if Ripple wins SEC lawsuit? GG will resign? No. Gary, you don't have to resign just because you lose a lawsuit. You can continue to operate as your position. Rumors that U.S. watchdogs are getting rid of crypto staking. Yeah, they're working to get rid of crypto staking, but you can't get rid of crypto staking. You have to change the blockchain as a whole. Oh, and you can't prevent. You literally have to sit there watching, sniffing every single smart contract that gets made to make sure it's not a crypto staking thing. This is not something that they can regulate. And Gary Gensler, a blockchain expert of all people, should know this. So he's doing this, I feel like, with ulterior motives. I don't think he knows, and this is big conspiracy that we're entering here. I'm not sure, but it's definitely something that doesn't make sense. So that's quite an interesting article. I like what they're what they're conspiring. So yeah, it wasn't this. So that's good. And our boy Gary Gensler going to be there till he gets a better job. I was just curious. May have been a fake Ripple YouTube, but I just saw a live video. Thanks, Teddy. No, I don't think there's. I mean, Google's pretty good at scraping the news, and I'm not really seeing anything, so I think we're good. I think everyone knew about what was going to happen today, like the big shots, because probably there's a leak somewhere, and that's basically what happened. Video suggests that Ripple is working secretly with payment Visa. Yeah, see, these are all rumors. We don't know what's happening. These guys are still operating a company even when the government's after them. No. Ripple will be ruling an XRP lawsuit. Slams embarrassing SEC. I don't know. I don't know who's winning. No one knows. Dogecoin fan Elon Musk beats the SEC. Hope for. Wait, what the heck? The gripping story of Elon Musk's famous Tesla 420 tweet finally comes close. SpaceX was considering putting Tesla stock in private on the condition that the price rises to $420. Indeed, the tech mogul was close to achieving this goal as Tesla was trailing just $52 behind the goal. I don't know what this is on about, but yeah, interesting. How we doing? What the heck is RPL? Let's go check. Bum, 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 bum. RPL. Rocket Pool. It's gone to a new contract address already? It just came out. Oh, is this the new contract address? Oh, I think this is the new contract address. Yeah. Nice. Oh, wow. RPL, this is going to be... What the heck is this even about? Let's go check their website. Rocketpool.net. Boom, boom. Oh, staking. Oh, that's not allowed. Rocket Pool decentralized Ethereum staking protocol. No wonder. Stake plus run node. Stake ETH. Permissionless. Anyone can join the Rocket Pool decentralized node operator network. Only 16 ETH. Stake with less than 32 ETH. Higher ROI. Earn commission from staking pool ETH and RPL from providing RPL collateral. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Stake plus run node based on a 7-day average. Wow. These are pretty good rewards, man. And all I need is 16 ETH. Oh man, I'm gonna grab. I feel like this is Gary Gensler is looking at RPL right now. He's on crypto bubbles. He's like, oh my god, what is this? Why everything should be red? We need to be taken. And then he sees RPL. It's like 25%. He's like, what is this? What is this? Stake plus run node? How dare they? This is the thing, Gary Gensler. We're gonna have to go after these. Oh, Trail of Bits is like top security, man. That's pretty good. I like seeing Trail of Bits September 2021. Nice. How does Rocket Pool work? Liquid staking. Wait, liquid staking. Someone talked about liquid staking. That was in that article. So liquid staking, innovative liquid staking that accrues while using an increasing exchange rate rather than rebasing, which is better for DeFi and better for tax reporting. Interesting. Very interesting. Founder and CTO. Sup, Teddy, John Patrick, what's going on, man? Nice to see you. And Oracle DAO. Our Oracle DAO features key Ethereum projects, infrastructure and industry. Etherscan? Wait, what? Beacon Scan? Lighthouse, ETH client, Fire Eyes, Rocket Pool, Daily Way. Wait, is this really Etherscan? So what did they do? So what is this? Our Oracle DAO features key Ethereum projects, infrastructure, and industry. I don't understand, but it's fine. Interested in node operation? Find out more. Node operators. Permissionless. Anyone can join the Rocket Pool as a node operator and help secure Ethereum. Less than 32 ETH. Participating in Ethereum proof of stake from the minimum of 17.6 ETH. Wait, didn't it say 16 before? What the hell? Earn commission rewards. Earn commission from staking pool, ETH, and RPL rewards from providing RPL collateral. Beacon chain return. So you stake it, and then it goes on Beacon chain. Once Beacon, the estimated return from Beacon chain. So Beacon chain is the one that's giving you the ETH. And then what? They're taking the ETH that you give them and they make their own pool that they're rewarding. I understand. I understand what they're doing. This is hilarious. They basically take your ETH and they're probably actually making money. And then they give you this beacon ETH. And then with the money that they make, the return, they cut some. So they're making X amount of profit. And you also make profit. Oh, wow. This is great. They must have a lot of things in order to offer this. That's wild. What can I earn as a Rocket Pool node operator? You earn beacon chain rewards on your staked ETH. See? Commission on pool staked ETH and RPO rewards for providing collateral. So you don't even get real ETH. You get like this beacon ETH. Freaking crazy, man. People will literally buy anything, I swear. Hey guys, I have this great project. Oh my god. Hello, Coochie Boy. They are not the Rocket Fi team, are they? No, I don't think so, dude. I think this is their own thing. This is like their own little thing. They started back in 2019. What the heck? Another one that is a total mystery. What the heck is RPL? And now we know. The only one that's up right now. All right. I mean, I don't understand why, because we'll see. I guess something with liquid staking. We'll see what comes out tomorrow. But guys, that's pretty much it for today. Crazy things. I call it healthy consolidation. Other people call it Teddy's wrong, but we'll see. No one knows. I don't know. You don't know. No one knows. And that's it. I will see you again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Remember, don't be a hero. I've seen a lot of you trying to be a hero. You're like, Teddy, it was a hero situation. I needed to be a hero. Well, guys, sometimes it's better not to be a hero and just sit in the sidelines. And it's okay. So I'll leave you with that. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. And I'll see you tomorrow.